Hey everyone, need to program your Verizon POS remote for your Samsung or LG TV? I have got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to get it set up in no time. Let's dive in. Samsung and LG code. Samsung code, it is 331, LG code 210. Pair and program Verizon POS remote to TV without voice. Turn on your TV and POS setup box. Make sure you see live TV on the screen. Find the 3-digit code for your TV brand from the code list, usually in the remote manual or online. Press and hold the OK button and the setup key or the indicated key on your remote together until the LED red blinks twice and stay on. Enter the 3-digit TV code using the number pad. The red LED will blink twice and stay on. Press the channel up CH plus button repeatedly until your TV turns off. You can press channel down CH minus to go back if you pass the correct code. Test the remote. Turn the TV back on using the remote's power button. Check volume button, volume plus and volume minus to ensure they works. If any buttons don't work, press and hold that button until it responds, then release. Press OK to save the code. The red LED will blink 3 times and turn off. How to pair and program your FiOS TV voice remote. For FiOS voice remote, first you have to connect the remote to FiOS setup box. Second, you have to set up audio control from your voice remote. Step 1. Connect your voice remote to FiOS TV. Point the FiOS TV voice remote at the FiOS TV 1 or mini box you want to pair with. Press and hold the play or pause and O button on the remote at the same time. Release both buttons when the blue light on the remote starts flashing. Wait for the blue light to stop flashing. When it stops, your remote is paired and ready to use. After pairing, most HDMI connected TVs and audio system will be detected automatically and can be controlled with your FiOS TV voice remote. Step 2. Connect your voice remote for audio control. Method 1. Automatic setup. Press the menu button on your remote, go to settings, then voice control, then go to FiOS TV voice remote, then program voice remote, then automatic setup. Wait for the automatic setup to finish. You will see a success message in the top right of your TV screen when complete. Method 2. Manual setup. If automatic setup fails, go to menu, then settings, then go to voice controls, then FiOS TV voice remote, then program voice remote, then go to manual setup. Select your TV or audio system's brand and model like Samsung code 331 and LG code 210. Follow the on-screen instructions. When setup is complete, you will see a success message in the top right of your TV screen. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.